Hey, on this video, we will check EtchWP combining with AI and how powerful it is and could it be. Okay, so let's start it. But first, let's check our website WP. I've launched this website with my team, my collaborators, and we have some packages to collaborate with you if you are a freelance or a marketing agency and need more manpower to develop your website. We have 3 different pricing to collaborate together, so you can contact us on OWP and discover our packages without commitment. So let's check owp.com. So let's start with the video. The next stack we will use will be automatic CSS, EtchWP, Gemini from AI from my Google Workspace is the AI that I am using lately because it's included on my workspace. I have the Gemini Advanced, so I can create different things. And Gem from Google Workspace, it's like a custom GPT on ChatGPT, but on Google Workspace it's the same. If you are not familiar with the AI and gems, it's like a template that you will use for your next question, and you can drop different documentation to training and fine-tuning your AI. Okay, so let's start it. I will show you how start that and what we will get. So okay, the topic we will build with EtchWP and AI. What is the problem currently with the different builder that we have it and linking with AI? So the problem is the next. On WordPress, we have a lot of tools to develop a website. You know, we have a long option to develop a website with builders and with different options, and we have tools, the different countries, different colors for all the publics. So we have the more basic, Gutenberg, Elementor Free, or Site Origin, for example, or also, yes, with this you can get some stuff with the Gutenberg core, and you also have some themes, popular themes like Cadence, Astra, and other options that work with Gutenberg blocks, or Elementor Free if you are an user of Elementor, or Site Origins builder. It's a all builder that we have it. So we have 2 more easier and with more options with pro versions like Elementor Pro. You can develop your templates, your architecture, and put different content on or structure information. And you have DV2. This is a builder more bloated and more easy to use, but you can get some good designs. Or we have breakdowns on this kind of builder that is easier, but it's more modern, and they have some good practices or better code on the front end. Okay, more faster, but also we have more advanced and pointed to developers. Okay, this is the current public for these builders, like Bricks builders. This is the builder that I am using on this moment to develop new website. We have Oxygen Builder, the inspiration of Bricks, and also now we have EtchWP on alpha or pre-alpha or beta, I don't know, but that is on development. So these builders has a problems. Okay. The problem is that we can edit HTML or CSS directly on the builder. When we are developing sites, we have some widget that we can drag and drop on the site, but doesn't have the capability to edit the custom code. And I am not talking about of the code block, okay, that you drag and drop a code block only with a custom code. Okay, I'm talking about that Etch done for us. Okay, the capability to EtchWP to give us the permission to edit our development using the editor. Okay, let's explain better this part. If you are not an user of EtchWP, if you are not a user, you will know what I'm talking about. So when you create on EtchWP a section, for example, okay, you will have the code here. Okay, you have the parent wrapper, and you will discover the code. And when you add a custom class, for example, hero, I don't know, if you put that, you will have the capability to edit, to add some, for example, some custom styles here with the panel, clicking and writing your color, for example. But also you will see the code to edit, and this is bidirectional. For example, if I move this to green, you will see that here is changing to. So this is I think the more value, the best functionality that for the moment has EtchWP. So I'm talking about that, the capability to edit the code and the widget bidirectional from one side to one side. So, and this is very good for AI, because we can edit, we can drop some code from our AI to develop some sections, or to develop some goals that we need to do, okay, or some component. So what was my experiment? What is my experiment on that? So the first thing that you need to do here, it's prepare your setup on your AI. What I mean? So first, I put the initial setup, doing a research of documentation about EtchWP and the community, on when I am doing some stuff on Etch, discover what is the code that they give me, or something like that. And I did a custom prompt with the GPT on the Gemini, exactly, and do my instructions. Okay, this is then the instructions. Okay, so another thing that I did is charge my docs of this research. Charge on Google Docs. You have the capability to do on your gem. Okay, if you create a new gem here and do discovery gems, say that, and you click on new gem, you can do your own gem on Gemini. Okay, so I use this one. Okay, and I give instruction and some documentation. I'm testing some documentation that with instruction and ways to work to implement that. Okay, I spend a lot of hours to do that, but it's good for the experiment. So the other thing that you need to do is, okay, you will drop your documentation on Gemini and ask something, and after that, I develop the custom prompt and import some structure from automatic CSS. Okay, some structure and documentation. Frankly, I have tested this for some hours, like 5 hours, and don't get the very good results, but some try and error. With some try and error, I have some things that I will show you now, how it's so powerful, and thinking about the future, how this could be too. So let's start it. Stop of blah 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 and start with the prompt. I will show you now what is the result. I will do some a little exercise without a lot of things, because my documentation is not so longer. It's a good documentation, but it's not the finished documentation for this gem. But on the future, you can I will drop more and more documentation to has an better results on my AI. Okay, so what I will do, I will ask to my gem. Build an hero section default. This is some that I have on my docs, some structure that I want to do, like template, and add some style that you want, respecting the docs, and add some static content. Let's see what give me and how will it the process now. Maybe in the future it's better. So he's thinking. It is on Spanish. Let's wait. So I will take a mate for the moment. So we have the result that they give me and the CSS. So what I will do here, I will import this. I will not check anything. Your work is check what you need to check, and I will replace that and copy that, and ta-da! We have the structure created from Etch, because it's bidirectional, so it is so powerful, and we have the faster code that AI give us. Okay, so also I ask to Gemini that give me some of the some styles. Okay, so what I need to do here, I need to import style by style for the moment on this workflow. Okay, and I am copy that, so you will see that have bar base light. It's variables from ACCS, automatic CSS, and the section padding, etc. So I import some variables on my prompt. I ask to Gemini that give me works with the variables and the standard of automatic CSS, and I am adding the style. So this is an experiment, and I know that on the community in some post, exactly I don't know what is, but Kevin Gary said that will implement AI directly on EtchWP. So we untrain it by them, but for the moment you also can train your own way to work on your Gemini. So I will add these things for the moment, and if you check, we have added the classes too. Okay, because I add here, and EtchWP was added the classes automatically on the builder. Okay, so I will import that font size for the H2. We have an error here. Maybe we can change to H1 because this is a hero section, and maybe we can change this to H1 if it's our design like that. So I will import to here, pam, and we have this container content left, description, bam bam. If you check something, Gemini doesn't import our container. Okay, I will ask again, and remember, give me the container too. So the good thing that when you import to Etch this code, I will show you what's happened. Okay, I have the container now, and I will reimport the HTML and see what's happened. Ta-da! We have the container now, but also we have all of the work that we are developing. It's not replaced that all the code because EtchWP it's saving our custom CSS, and because it's the same classes, we have saved our previous work. Okay, it's so powerful. It's good for the exercise. So this is what I need to container. Okay. Here the file container. Here the file container, and I will apply here on this correct class to do the right flex application. And flex one, let's check that. I will remove this from here, and flex is content left. This is the same. This is for the file heading the same. The description will be the same, and the button. Hey, sorry for interrupt you. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel and comment below what do you think about this stuff. And let's continue with the video. Bye-bye. We have also the instruction if I add that. Let's try what's happened. We'll remove this for the moment, and you see that it's with the custom class with the bar action. I don't know if this works now on automatic CSS. I will change to primary, and I will change to white. Okay. Okay, now, and they added a hover too. Hey, here. Okay, and some transition and many things. But if you want to work with the button primary from automatic CSS, it's very good this way. But I added that to show you what's happening. Okay, and for the image right, bam, here. This is the container image right. This name I don't like it. Sometimes this is not the big content left, content right. I prefer wrapper, content wrapper, and image wrapper, but for the exercise it's okay. And I will add this to the image that it's not here. Okay, here doesn't add a custom class. They are here. This is some more training that I need to do. Give me a BEM class for the image too. I will not apply the CSS on tag. Okay. Bam, bam. Here. This. Let's do again the exercise to remove all, only to show you what's happened, and add it again. Nothing changed, only the class it's added. Hey. It's really nice that. So again, this is an exercise, and a simple exercise that I am doing, but the idea is catch what we could do when the things will be more complex, you know, and discover the flow that will get will have automatic CSS. Okay, I will use this image to test it, the thing, and we have already a new hero done without think on design, obviously, and we have this result. So obviously for the moment EtchWP doesn't have the capability to do responsive things, and we will train better on the future. And also I will ask something for the description here, for this one, I will ask something to add some of JavaScript. I will ask, please give me Java, give me to this class an animation of ghost writer. I think that it's the name of that. So I ask that. So they will give me some things. Okay, they give me again the code. Let me description. Here's the default. Let's try this code. Here the default. Blah 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 blah. Button. Image right. Give me some. Okay, let's try this code at first. Here the default description. Here, bam. Here the default description. Let's add that here, bam, and add the other code here. And let's try if it works. That. No, this will not work. I will ask. I want an JavaScript to do this and use a span for the machine writer effect. And let's ask that with JavaScript. Okay, let's add that. I will add this, bam, to this. I will replicate this thing to this. Okay, they add an span here. Okay, and we can add the code here, description, this one, bam bam, here. I will replace this, bam, and I need to replace this span, okay, with this, bam, and let's see what they give us. Hide this rebel in JavaScript and blinking cursor. I don't know what means that, but let's try. So I did this exercise before. For this reason, I asked that give me some JavaScript, and we have the JavaScript. Remember, the Gemini give us without a script tags from HTML. This is good, but before on our one exercise that I did, he or her give me inside a script, and inside the script HTML we will not work. We need the vanilla JavaScript. So I will add here, okay, and let's check if it works. This effect. All right, we have the effect now. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, good. We have this now developed, and also we can edit the JavaScript here or ask something and replace again and replace again, and doesn't we will not lose our work. Okay, this is the idea that I will show you here. So okay, this is the exercise that I done here. So let's comment below what do you think about that, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for wait more videos on this time, and see you soon.